Hey there, this is Stacie. I hope you're having a great day. I am here today with a video for you that is sponsored by eSalon. And what I'm going to do is tell you about the eSalon custom hair color set. This is a made to order, totally customizable hair color set. They use salon quality ingredients to give you healthy, shiny hair that you can do at home. The whole process is really quick and easy. You just go online to eSalon.com and take a quiz. You take pictures of your hair from the front and from the side so they can see the current color of your hair. And then you can talk to a colorist about what you're wanting to achieve, kind of like what your goals are. If you're wanting the same color, if you're wanting to go lighter or darker, or what you're wanting to do. So for me, I wanted to change up my hair color. I thought it would be fun to just kind of add a little something to my hair. My hair has always been just your basic dark brown hair because that's my natural color. And so this time I added some mahogany to my hair. Hopefully you can see that here. And because my hair had never been this mahogany color before, what I did was a two-color system. So I colored the roots of my hair, just where the grays were coming in, kind of all the regrowth area. And then from the roots down, I put another color just so that my hair would be evenly colored throughout. And you can see the bottom of my hair and the top of my hair are now all the same color. So it's kind of a rich mahogany color, and I really love this color. It's just kind of something fun and a little bit different without kind of going too wild and crazy. For my first time trying something a little bit different. I'm going to just quickly show you everything that was in the box, followed by a little tutorial showing you how I did my hair. Like I said, it was really quick and easy. I did this at home all by myself. My hair. I thought it'd be a good idea to take a look here first at everything that comes in the kit. So the first thing I see when I open the box is my instructions put together by my colorist named Stephanie. And she put this together based on my little quiz that I took online and our telephone conversation. So I have all of my instructions here. Then here's just a little quick guide to your color system quick guide. And then this is just telling me that they have changed up the look of their products, just the packaging and all. So what I get here is my developer with my color for my roots. And then I have my developer, another one with the color for my ends because I haven't colored my hair in a while and I'm switching up my color a little bit actually. This little kit here is everything you need to color like a pro, and it contains a couple different products in there. Just a classic shampoo that's a sulfate-free shampoo and conditioner to help protect my hair and the color that I'm doing. There's a stain guard so I don't stain my face, and a stain towel remover in case I do stain my face, which guaranteed I will. And then we have 2 sets of gloves for doing the whole process. So I just wanted to share everything that comes in the kit so you can see before I go ahead and get started. To get started, I just divide my hair into 4 sections and secure it with some plastic clips. Then I went ahead and applied the stain guard to protect my skin from color stains. So I put it all around my hairline as well as on the tops of my ears. You can choose either a bottle application method or the bowl and brush application method. Either way works fine. So I am mixing together step 1, which is my root color, along with the developer. And I just shake the bottle vigorously. Then this is how I like to do mine. I like to use the bottle to apply the product to my roots. And I like to use a brush for spreading it throughout my hair. And I always concentrate on my hairline first. This is where my most stubborn gray hairs are, and that way the product will be on that area for the longest amount of time. Now that my hairline is covered, I'm ready to do the rest of my hair. So I take down one section at a time. I divide a thin section of hair. I use the bottle to squeeze the color onto my hair, and I use the brush to spread it. If you want, you can also use your fingers to spread the product. I go around doing all of the remaining sections of my hair, set my timer for 15 minutes to let it process. Now I'm ready for step 2. I'm going to mix my developer with step 2 bottle, which is the color for the ends. Shake vigorously. Now I have my cape on so I don't get this all over my body, since I can't cover my body in the stain guard. So I literally take small sections, put the product into my hair, and work it from just below the roots all the way to the ends of my hair to distribute the color evenly. While I'm waiting the 10 minutes for the color to process, I take the extra color and mix it with water, take that into the shower and massage that into my hair. Then I use my shampoo and conditioner. It's only $10 for your first order, and if you want, you can even go on the eSalon website and set up to have it auto ship to you at whatever frequency that you think you need to have it sent to keep your grays covered all the time. Thanks again to eSalon for sponsoring this video. I appreciate you watching. Have a great day.